Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, accessing object properties with variables. Another use of bracket notation on objects is to access a property which is stored as the value of a variable. This can be very useful for iterating through an object's property or when accessing a lookup table. Here is an example of using variable to access property. In this case, there is a variable named dogs, which is an object containing object properties with value. Here, Fidop is property and Mutt is value. Same way, Hunter, Doberman, and Snoopy, Beagle. So, in this case, my dog is a variable with a hunter as a string saved inside it. When we have to check my breed, then we will pass in means we will use the bracket notation in the object dogs and pass the my dog variable. And what it will do? It will access the property by the name of the property, in this case Doberman. Another way you can use this concept is when the property's name is collected dynamically during the program execution as follows. We can see that here is a some object with property name John, and we are using prop prefix function so that whatever string we pass, we can add prop in the return before returning the string. So where some prop, when prop prefix is invoked the and name string is passed, then the result will be prop name. So here is an example where we log on console using console.log. Some object means this variable with some prop which is this one which has prop name. Note that we do not use quotes around the variable name when using it to access the property because we are using the value of the variable, not the name. So whenever we use a variable, whenever we use a variable, we use that without quotes because we are actually using the value of the variable. Let's see the task for this challenge. Set the player number variable to 16. Then use the variable to look up the player's name and assign it to player. So in this case, player number is equal to 16. And what we have to do is here we will use player number then use the variable name to look up player's name and assign it to player. So we will, by this way of writing, means object name in bracket variable name which contains the value of 16 of which we have to check the player name. We can return the value. So let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.